Every Girls Senior High School. Planting, supply and transport for was established in 1943 by Mr. Fred Adai with the support of Mr. Francis Ajay Tetemu, Commanding Officer, Defense Mechanical Transport Battalion. Honorable Kwesi Ajay Boateng, New Jabe North MP. Ambassador Ba Diodu, who is the board chairman for Ghana. Professor Lydia Aziato, Vice Chancellor, University of Health and Allied Sciences. Mrs. Amma Sewa Nigwe Tete, the Secretary General, Ghana of the East of Ghana, has produced a number of personalities. And
all of our special guests of honor, the President of the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire, wave it, wave it, wave your Ghana flag, raise your flag, raise your flag, wave your flag, wave it, wave it, wave it. His Excellency Alassane Ouattara is arriving. Let's continue to wave our flag. We have the Cote d'Ivoire flag also available. Let's wave our flag as we welcome the President of the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire, His Excellency Alassane Ouattara.
All in uniform are reminded to pay the appropriate compliment.
National salute! 3 days! Out!
Arriving now, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the President of the Republic of Ghana, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, is arriving. Do we have our flags with us? Do we have our flags? Let's keep waving our flags. of the East, Akuapem. Proud son of the East, and we are proud of you. President Akuapem. The 11 ceremonies about the Eastern region saying, President, you are welcome home. Proud son of the East, welcome home. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, shall we remain standing for the national anthem?
National salute. Free day.
Assuming office as the nation's inaugural president, we express gratitude to our ancestors for their perseverance and sacrifices, which paved the way for the freedom we cherish and enjoy today.
And if you just joined us, this is the 67th Independence Day Anniversary Parade being celebrated under the theme Democracy or Pride here at the Regional Youth Resource Center, Koforidua. Mr. President, the school contingents on parade are 14 senior high schools, 4 basic schools, and 1 special needs school. We also have 1 technical school from the Ghana TVET service. The basic schools, Mr. President, are Apimpua Islamic Basic,
Drone operators are advised to lower their drones. All drone operators are advised to lower their drones. Distinguished guests, flying past now is the Mi-17 helicopter of the Ghana Air Force with the Ghana flag in tow. The crew is captained by Squadron Leader Karich Fianko, and he is with Squadron Leader Ifia Ambrasa and Squadron Leader Abu Nasser Salia. The flight engineers are Squadron Leader Maswa Mensah, Flight Sergeant Kina Stephen, and Flight Sergeant Ajiman Jesse. All drone operators are once again being cautioned to ground their drones. Drone operators, you are being cautioned to ground your drones. With the assault forces having successfully neutralized today's proceedings, thank you. Only authorized media personnel are allowed to video. Having successfully conducted operations, the helicopter Military personnel involved in extraction operations undergo rigorous training to master the necessary skills and procedures. The next display is by the 15 Armored Brigade with personnel and vehicles drawn from 153 Armored Regiment. The first troop is made up of the Cobra electro-optic surveillance systems, armored personnel carriers. They are equipped with gunshot detection systems designed to detect, locate, and provide feedback on hostile fire. They are also used to conduct monitoring and surveillance in order to gather accurate and timely information. They are under the command of Captain Akuapem Emisa. The vehicles have adopted the diamond formation. Behind them is the second troop made up of Cobra 2 armored personnel carriers. They are used to support assault troops in conducting special operations such as raids. They have adopted the wedge formation. Following the troop closely are the Haki armored personnel carriers. They are under the command of Second Lieutenant Abna Kufi Echampon. Distinguished invited guests, it may interest you to know that the Huskies are versatile military vehicles primarily used for route clearing and mine detection operations. The vehicles have adopted the box formation.
Okay, I see you.
The next troop is made up of DR-6 armored personnel carriers. They are commanded by Second Lieutenant. Precision is used when the enemy situation is uncertain and the troop leader requires firefighters to the front and the flanks. The last group from the 15 Armored Brigade is made up of the Rattle Armored Fighting. Following and equipment from 15 Armored Brigade. The next is the 122mm Moscow rocket launcher systems, which have adopted the diamond formation. They are under the command of Lieutenant Stefan Akamfe Atwima. The Troop Warrant Officer is Warrant Officer Class 1, Marty George. Following them are the 122mm howitzers, which have also adopted the arrowhead formation. The troop have adopted the arrowhead formation and are under the command of Second Lieutenant. Troop Warrant Officer is Warrant Officer Class 2, Apprentice Frank. 5mm howitzer saluting arms. The troop have also adopted a single file formation and are under the command of Staff Sergeant Abaji Enos. The are the same ones that will be used for the 21 gun salute later today. On display from the Ghana Navy are two of the 4 Ghana Navy fast patrol, interceptor and rescue boats. Ghana Navy boats Yogaga, Ba and Jataba, which are used for anti-piracy, anti-smuggling, diving operations, offshore platform protection, and security and anchorage patrols. They have on board 3 Navy divers each, who specialize in assault combat diving explosive ordnance disposal, diving, amongst others. They are commanded by Chief Petty Officer Class 2, Ahuma Okanse Ruben, and the second in command is Petty Officer Class 1, Abdullah Michelle. I will now hand over to Assistant Superintendent of Police, Richmond Milton, to continue with the comment.
And we are also live on Ghana Police Service Facebook and YouTube as well. This is the motorbike patrol unit of the Ghana Police Service under the command of Deputy Superintendent of Police Alex Asa. The first formation is what we call the wedge formation. It is a tactical crowd control formation used to disperse rattlers mob who are about to cause damage to property. The second, we have the pyramid formation, which signifies the strength of the police service and the nation at large. And what the motorbike patrol unit are telling us this afternoon is that the police citizen has formed what we call the patrol formation. It signifies how the police patrol our streets and also within our community to deal with criminal activities. That is the motto by approaching closely to the Deputy Superintendent of Police, Awuni Joseph Yaba, is supported by Inspector Francis Sapo. The Kenyan unit of the Ghana Police Service was established in June 2019. This unit, which is under the command of Deputy Superintendent of Police Jordan Ashute, and he is assisted by Assistant Superintendent of Police Alexander Opare. The formed police unit was established on 29 July 2013 under the then leadership of the former Inspector General of Police, Mr. Mohammed Ahmed Al-Hassan. The FPU is under the concept as defined coercive mobile police unit providing support to the United Nations operations and also ensuring safety and support to UN personnel purposes, attending to incidents, also offering special service rescue to the service. We also have the Guardian, which is used in low intensity conflicts. We have the Maverick. We also have the light and heavy water cannons, which is used in crowd control, dispersing crowd, quenching fires as well. They are also notable in public order management. Following closely after the FPU is what we call the Ghana Police Mobile Hospital. Ghana Police Mobile Hospital is under the command of Chief Superintendent Dr. Frank Glodu. He is supported by Chief Inspector Ishmael Admo and Inspector Ruben Juno. The Mobile Police Hospital generally offers medical support to personnel of the service. It also has a mini theater. It has a surgical suite. It is also used for educational purposes and it is also used for training purposes. After the mobile hospital, we have the National Counter-Terrorism Department of the Ghana Police Service under the command of Deputy Superintendent of Police Johnson Adweso, supported by Assistant Superintendent of Police Safety and Security. And they also provide security for VVIP, both foreign and local. At this point, I'll hand you over to Major Andy Sowate to continue from here. Thank you.
It is now the turn of the Ghana National Fire Service vehicles. They have a total of 6 firefighting vehicles on display today. These include firefighting tenders, hydraulic platform, which is used in fighting fire on high-rise buildings in a recovery truck. They are commanded by ABU-1 Nathaniel Ahmed, and he is assisted by ABU-1 Daniel Damadi. The lead vehicle is the hydraulic platform. The platform can be extended to a height of 10 to 20 meters and is capable of reaching over 3 to 4 floors. It does not carry water, but has an attached from that can pump water at a rate of 6 drawn from various constituencies within the region. They are under the command of PAEMT Owusu Felix, who also doubles as the Deputy Regional Administrator. The first ambulance is commanded by PAEMT Lord Nati. The second vehicle is commanded by Advanced EMT Goda Sam. and is driven by EMT Osei Ponsu Isaac. The next ambulance is commanded by EMT Michael Oposu and is driven by EMT Joshua Tete. The ambulance following closely is commanded by EMT Eric Opoku and it is driven by EMT Evans Tete Odei. The next ambulance is commanded by Advanced EMT Rolo Kennedy.
The creation of the world, bringing glory to our country in the automobile industry. All these cars you're seeing are made in Ghana cars. Courtesy Nana Adweso Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. These are Kia Saloon vehicles. Nana Adweso Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic. This is unprecedented in the history of our Republic, and the people of the Eastern region are very proud of you. Ghana is proud of you. These are Volkswagen vehicles, VW, Nissan SUVs, Nissan Patrols, Hyundai trucks, Nissan Toyota pickups, Zonda trucks. We also want to acknowledge the President of the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire, His Excellency Alassane Ouattara.
That was the 21 gun salute by personnel of the 66th Artillery Regiment.
Eastern Region, led by Nene Sakite II, President of the Eastern Regional House of Chiefs, for gracing this important occasion with your presence and hosting.